Good day to all. Today I will introduce the full stack development internship provided by Dakh Edu Solutions. First of all, I would like to thank Dakh Edu Solution for giving me this opportunity to learn the industry level and relevant skills, the practical experience in full stack development. Yes, I'm a tutor of this full entire journey. So before going in, the internship is designed to provide the students which understand the modern web applications, build, design the user interface, managing the database and deploying the application throughout the journey. Interns will work with real-world technologies, improve professional skills, build projects like strengthen the careers. Before we going into that, we just talk about the objectives of internship, like duration time, as we said before, the 1 month of the journey. Throughout this, the full stack development, what will you get in the front end, backend, database management and deployment? These are the basic steps we need to clear. Now we dive into the technologies what we are going to provide: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB, Git and GitHub extensions. As we know before, the technologies as we use in the relevant skill industrial, the HTML is used to create a structure like web page, defines elements like heading, paragraph and images. CSS, it used to design a web page to attractive and repulsive. JavaScript is interactivity of the websites with features like buttons, sliders and validation for the dynamic content. React.js is built faster and reusable user interface components which used for web application. Node.js and Express.js both are the frameworks from server side which develop the scalable backend application and make to the APIs. And MongoDB, which is a NASQL database which used to store the manage application in flexible JSON format. Git and GitHub, the code changes with the platform which is storing the code and collaborating with the developers. These are the main technologies as we see in the entire journey of the full stack development. Hope you guys understand what I am trying to say. We can come upon the MERN stack. It will be demanded of the full stack. It's better than, because there is a no specifically defined, but the full stack means it have the lot of stack. We learn the more in depth concepts. So that's why the MERN stack is comparatively down. Its demand is increasing of the full stack development. So these are the basic technologies. In coming upon understanding and skills, what are the web development we used, creating APIs and integrating the databases, developing the complete full stack project in this journey. What are the development tools as we used? Come upon the VS Code and browsing web the developer tools, as I said in every videos, you must install it and go into depth. We need to analyze and after that we need to produce a project. And Postman for integration authentication, Git and post method we have used. And GitHub repository is mandatory to everyone in this journey. You must pick up the all repository as well. And next Miro, it's for mind mapping and used for deployment also, like mini projects, team collaboration, capstone projects. These are under the Miro repositories. And next we coming to the learning journey. As I said before, the basic web development and user interference, creating APIs, database integration and full stack projects. The entire journey should be merged with these kind of steps and criteria. We must able to follow it. Everyone please note down what I am trying to say. You just make a note and separated it what are the analytical tools where we used in every videos. The learning outcomes we expect at the last. Throughout the journey, the hands-on experience is must. The interns are expected to participate actively in the complete assignments and collaborate with teamings and maintain the consistency throughout this program. The real world technologies has improved the professional skills for build the project like strengthen your careers. So next we move on to the professional and project activities. Like in this journey we create a mini projects, team collaboration, capstone project, code reviews. What are the everyday tasks you must upload in the Git or GitHub repository we must, and every weekend we give a task. You must complete it. If I have any queries and doubts, let me inform. I will give my information throughout in this end of the video. The project we help through the internship they were designed to the helps of students, as I said before. Understand how the modern web application to build, to designing a user interface and managing the database and deploying application. Whatever you want, we will provide the all sources. And coming upon the professional skills, in this journey, the full stack development, you have the full potential to give the problem solving and communication and teamwork and time management and presentation skill. Next, we coming upon to the career opportunities like front-end developer, the designing the developing part of the website to interact with the technologies like, as I said before, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. It has a responsive and user-friendly interface. And the backend development, it should have the build server-side application, create APIs, manage authentication, and as well as the building a logic technologies like Node.js and Express.js. Next, we move on to the full stack developer. With the knowledge of the front end and back end, we can develop the complete web application independently. Software engineer will develop, test, maintain a software system, and stack skills learned doing internship provide a strong foundation for the software engineering roles in IT companies. And finally, the freelancing opportunities, it should be the independent work like online platforms will build the website applications, technical solution for working independently. Finally, the question, in this entire journey, we must provide the student Q&A question in every weekend session. What are the queries and what are the doubts you may proceed in the further projects or further tasks, you may ask in the live session. We provide a live chat interactions between we and you. So next we come upon the visual style guidance. For UI UX, it's a main part of the front end designing. So it is a very important thing because the first page should be the interactive and attractive also. So according to this hierarchical, what I should trying to say means the first come apart this typography and color panels. These are the main criteria. Our Dakh Edu solution provide the entire journey, the full stack development, what are the student relevant knowledge to gain the model applications, to face the real world problem, should solve it, improve the professional skills as well as build project strengthen independently. Let us go through the mind map once, and if you have any doubts, I may contact now. And complete learning journey, the internship of the Dakh Edu solution provide proudly for the students the full gain knowledge and cooperate with us for the entire journey to make this internship knowledge and gainful for you. And these are the overall mind map. You should be must note it down. And these are the day one as we are just fundamentals and basics of the next towards the journey we started from the UI UX and next video. So you must wait it guys for the basic fundamentals you must need to know. In deployment point we use completely the interference, whatever the sources we are provided like lifecycle development we provided. So if you have any doubts in this session, you must be commanded it. Hope you guys understand what I am saying. Okay, thank you so much guys.